CoreWeave stock is crashing, and I think that's making a lot of investors fearful about this company, and they're wondering and panicking if they should sell the stock and making rash decisions. Whenever this happens, I like to dig deeper and do more research so I can make a more informed decision, and that's what I'll do for you all here that are interested in CoreWeave stock. So CoreWeave is one of those businesses right now where its revenue depends on how much supply it can increase. Demand for the company's products exceeds, and I'll quote management, they said it far exceeds supply. So that means the more supply they can add, the more revenue they will generate. And given that, they expanded their active power footprint, which allows them to create more computing power to sell to their customers by 120 megawatts sequentially. They now have 590 megawatts while growing their contracted power capacity over 600 megawatts to 2.9 gigawatts. So they added the potential of more capacity coming online. And in the previous quarter, they added meaningful capacity going from 470 megawatts to 590, adding roughly 25% capacity in one quarter alone, which allowed the company to generate significant increases in revenue, which increased by over 125% from the same quarter the prior year. So in the third quarter, they executed large-scale compute contracts with many of their largest customers, including Meta Platforms and OpenAI. These large hyperscalers have told investors they want to add a lot more capacity, and they're doing a lot of that internally. With Meta Platforms, that is, OpenAI is contracting for service, and they're just contracting with several partners and just adding as much capacity they can find. Their businesses also have demand that exceeds capacity, and so they are also increasing capacity. The whole ecosystem for artificial intelligence is supply constrained. Nearly every part of the ecosystem has more demand than it has supply. And so you might be wondering, if that's the case, why are these stocks crashing over the last few weeks? And in CoreWeave's case, it's down roughly 50% in the last month alone. And the primary reason is that investors are fearful of what the situation will be 12 months from now or 24 months from now. Right now, they might be seeing that demand exceeds supply, but nearly all of these companies are spending aggressively to add a lot more supply. Click the link below to watch the full video.